Hey everyone, so I want to do the Halloween pill tablet shadow from Sugarpill. I'm going to be using the purpley colors. I use this Milani Flora but you can't really see it that well. So I'm starting with this medium pink right here. Found out last week I had a dud eyeshadow. That hot pink eyeshadow that I got was supposed to be a medium pink frosty color, and from the Pampered collection. Kind of upset about that. And it's now available on Amazon and Wet n Wild, but I'm afraid I'm just gonna get another dud. And yeah, I'm gonna use this in the crease. Really look that much different from each other. For highlighter, I'm going to use my old Wet n Wild Sugar. And then I'm going to use this this pinky color right there, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner going out. Okay. Alright, starting to show now. Okay, good. I'm gonna kind of like put it towards the center, because that other color is just kind of looks almost the same as the contour color. Oh, sorry. Alright. That's better. And the only blush color in this palette is this one. Alright. Okay. It's an orangey color. It is like her Halloween palette, so okay. Very pigmented. I'll tone that down. So anyway, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm gonna put on Friend Zone. It's one of her glosses. Tastes good. It's a gloss, so it's going to not be as pigmented. I would like it to be more pigmented, but it's not. Anyway, this is Friend Zone. So yeah, so that's the finished look. The orange, obviously the orange doesn't match too much with the pink, but it does match with the other colors. It contrasts with the blue, and then it's warm toned for the other colors in the palette, which I want to try and use. Alrighty, so I'm just waiting on one more item from Amazon that's supposed to come on Wednesday. Then I'll take pictures and I'll do swatches. I think that Walgreens has it in store, because I think when I checked the website, it was there. I think it said in store. And I think Walmart now has it in store, but they only have 9 of the 12 colors available online. Not sure what's going to happen when they do their resets, but pretty sure by the end of this, probably this week, everybody will do their resets. Anyway, okay, see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.